I'll be showing you how to set your all-in-one WP migration plugins to unlimited upload. When you install your all-in-one WP migration, it comes with a limited size file upload. But with this method, you'll be able to upload unlimited files. So what you do is, the link will be attached to this video. So you see the link to download your limited plugin, or you can as well visit this GitHub account, github.com/dev071. You see it on the video, at the same time you see it in the link below. So once you visit this page, click on this code. You see the zip, download zip here. Click on this download zip, then it will automatically download on your system, as you can see. And the next thing to do is to visit your plugin area, click plugins, and add plugins, then upload plugins. So you upload that unlimited all-in-one WP migration that you have just downloaded. Once you upload it, you click install. After installation, you activate. Then go to your all-in-one WP migration and check if it's unlimited or it is limited. Can you see? It is unlimited. So with this, you can upload as many as possible file size to your website. Maybe your site is 10 gig, 20 gig, 1 terabyte. This will allow you to be able to upload it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.